In today's world of streamlined design and clutter-free bathrooms, wall-mounted shampoo dispensers are more than just a convenience, they're a necessity. The growing demand stems from a desire for eco-friendly, refillable alternatives that reduce plastic waste while enhancing bathroom aesthetics. Whether you're a minimalist, a hotel owner, or just tired of juggling bottles. Simplehuman triple wall mount shower pump, 3x 15 flat-out shampoo and soap dispensers, stainless steel. The Simplehuman triple wall mount shower pump sets a high standard in both style and functionality. With a sleek brushed stainless steel finish, it blends effortlessly into modern bathrooms. Each of the 3 chambers holds 15 flat ounces, ideal for shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. What really sets this unit apart is the durable, rust-proof construction and precision-engineered T-bar lever, which dispenses just the right amount of product with one hand. It also includes a handy hook for razors or loofahs, further maximizing space efficiency. Installation is simple thanks to included adhesive and screws. While it's on the premium end price-wise, the elegant design and solid performance justify the investment for anyone seeking both luxury and practicality in their bathroom. Better Living Aviva Shower Dispenser 3-chamber wall mount shower soap dispenser for bathroom, hotel body wash. The Better Living Aviva Shower Dispenser is a favorite among budget-conscious buyers and hotel owners alike. This wall-mounted unit features 3 separate 11-ounce chambers, each with its own push button for effortless dispensing. Made of durable ABS plastic, the unit is rust-proof and water-resistant. The clear reservoir windows let you easily monitor levels, and the labels help users identify contents at a glance. Installation is straightforward with silicone glue and double-sided tape. No drilling required. The modern yet simple design fits any bathroom decor, making it a great choice for families or shared bathrooms. While the plastic build doesn't feel as premium as stainless steel options, it performs reliably and is excellent value for money. MaisoNovo Shampoo and Conditioner Dispenser. Shower Soap Dispenser Wall-Mounted. 16.9 fluid-out set of 3 clear plastic. Perfect for those who value minimalist, transparent design. The MaisoNovo dispenser set delivers both aesthetics and practicality. Each chamber holds 16.9 fluid ounces, giving you slightly more capacity than many competitors. Made from durable PET plastic, the clear containers make it easy to see when a refill is needed, and the pump mechanism provides a smooth and steady flow. This set includes waterproof labels for easy identification and industrial-grade adhesive strips for damage-free mounting. It's a great choice for renters or those seeking a clean, spa-like bathroom vibe. Although it lacks the sturdiness of metal options, its sleek design and ease of use make it a standout in the mid-tier price range. Shampoo and Conditioner Dispenser. 3-chamber, 1500 ml wall-mounted shower soap dispenser. This heavy-duty 3-chamber 1500 ml dispenser is ideal for families or shared bathrooms where higher volume is needed. Each chamber holds 500 ml, 16.9 fluid ounces, making it great for reducing refill frequency. The unit features clear containers so you can monitor product levels, and each pump delivers a consistent, leak-free flow. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, it resists corrosion and can be mounted using either adhesive or screws, depending on your wall surface. It's a bit more utilitarian in design, more functional than fancy, but it gets the job done and offers serious value for its size. Perfect for high-use environments like gyms, Airbnb rentals, or large families. Better Living Products White 76354 Euro Series Trio 3-chamber soap and shower dispenser. The Euro Series Trio dispenser by Better Living Products is an elegant white wall-mounted solution with 3 15-ounce chambers. The soft curves and minimalist design complement most bathroom styles, and the ergonomic push buttons are smooth and responsive. Installation is fast and drill-free with waterproof silicone adhesive and tape. It also includes removable chambers, making refilling and cleaning extremely convenient. The hidden storage hooks underneath provide extra utility for hanging razors or loofahs. While not made from metal, the high-quality plastic build ensures durability. This is an excellent choice for users who want a clean, contemporary look without paying premium stainless steel prices.